Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change Facebook password. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, click on menu option, scroll down, click on settings and privacy. After that, click on settings. Okay, tap on see more in account center, scroll down, tap on password and security, just click, tap on change password. Okay, click on Facebook app profile, click on current password. Okay, then new password, then retype new password. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.